to enable the Windows 10 Master Control Panel or God mode, you need to right click on the desktop. Select New, and then Folder. And you can give this folder a name. I'm going to call mine God Mode. Then you do a dot after the name, then the left squiggle parenthesis, then with capital letters, type Echo Delta 7 Bravo Alpha 470-8 Echo 5 4-465 Echo -8 2 5 Charlie -9971 204 3 Echo 01 Charlie, and then the right squiggle parenthesis. Then press enter. You'll see the folder icon change to the control panel icon. To access the utilities, just double click the icon and you'll see a whole list of goodies that you can use to make changes to your system. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.